Join me on a breathtaking journey through our planet, rendered in stunning high definition. Imagine vibrant coral reefs teeming with life in crystal clear turquoise waters, majestic snow-capped mountains piercing azure skies, and lush rainforests teeming with exotic flora and fauna, all brought to life with incredible detail and clarity. I will traverse diverse landscapes, from arid deserts stretching to the horizon, to bustling cities pulsating with energy, experiencing the beauty and wonder of Earth like never before. My exploration will take you to the far corners of the globe, revealing hidden gems and iconic landmarks with unparalleled visual fidelity. Picture the intricate carvings of ancient temples bathed in golden sunlight, the raw power of cascading waterfalls captured in every droplet, and the mesmerizing dance of the aurora borealis painting the polar night sky. Each scene will be a feast for the eyes, immersing us in the rich tapestry of our world's natural and cultural wonders. Join me as I embark on this visual odyssey, celebrating the Earth's extraordinary beauty through the lens of high definition. Welcome to World TV.